So videos like these are one of the biggest ways in which real people are monetizing AI today. And in this video, we're going to dive into exactly how to do it. So these are all videos completely made with AI, but without filming, without editing, and without even showing the creators' faces. And they can translate into real earnings. So we live in an attention economy, one where everyone is consuming content on their phones all the time. And AI has entirely shifted the paradigm of content creation. And so obviously that is one of the biggest monetization opportunities. And I think that's only something that will continue for the next, at very least, few years. And so we're going to walk through how to go about this business model and this AI video creation through a platform called Pippit. And this is an AI video agent where the whole platform and the agent is focused around turning content into money. And so whether you want to use AI influencers to promote products, create viral content for your social media accounts, or make e-commerce promo videos without products, Pippit can do all of that. And we're going to walk through those specific workflows step by step over the next few minutes. And that said, grab your coffee and let's go. And so before we get into the demos, I just want to reiterate that AI video technology is actually only very recently, just in the last few months, hit the point where creating quality content is actually affordable and is even possible in the first place. We were stuck in the Will Smith spaghetti, just kind of uncanny valley period for a while, but the models are getting better so fast, so incredibly fast. And at this point, you really just don't know what's AI or not. That's bad for a lot of reasons, but on the flip side, that also means that you can create this type of content at scale that would be just as good as something that was actually filmed and edited physically. And this isn't just slop. This is not just for people who want to make memes or something. Real businesses with real products can use these kinds of tools to take the ad that used to cost $50,000 to shoot and turn that 50 grand into a $20 investment, and then take the 50 grand and invest elsewhere. And I think that's where you're going to see the lion's share of the yield and of the productivity gain here. It's businesses, it's individuals, it's entrepreneurs, maybe like you, who are saving a ridiculous amount of time and money through tools like these. So that in mind, let's start off with AI influencer marketing, and we'll dive into my computer now.
Okay, so we're going to jump into a few demos here in just a second, but this overall is what the platform looks like. It's very intuitive format. As far as what you're going to interact with, for the most part, you have the video generator right here. So this is the home page. We can go into video. That's how you're going to create some of these viral videos in just a minute. If you do want to engage with image generation, you just click on the image tab right here. You can find inspiration in this tab, but then for anything avatars and voices, you can head to this page for video to avatar or photo to avatar. And then there's also some other social media features for creators, like publishing in analytics. And this is really useful to create a full-on business in Pippit, right? To create and copy viral videos within the platform, and then just go ahead, link them right here, publish them within the platform, and then track the analytics as well. And that in mind, let's jump into our first demo. That in mind, the first demo that we're going to look at is AI influencer marketing. So creating an influencer character with AI that can do a talking head video, that can do something, be the face of a brand, whatever you want your AI avatar or person to do, it can go ahead and do. Now you can do this with an image as a reference if you want to take an individual and make something that looks like them. And so you can do this with an image if you want to go image to avatar, if you have a person in mind that you want to make the AI avatar look like. For now, I want to just show you what it does. So we're going to go with the text to avatar feature. So we're just going to give it a prompt, which is, I want an avatar to be generated, and then a pretty standard business style avatar. So a female influencer, mid-20s, professional. And then I'm going to leave right here on agent mode, and then let's go ahead and click start. Okay, and you can see the agent went ahead and said, hey, I'm going to generate an avatar for you. And then once the avatar is ready, we can go ahead and create the videos in mind that we want. Okay, and here's what that AI influencer looks like. Now we can customize this however we want, or we can say, okay, use my influencer in creating, and then describe the video that you want. That's a pretty standard flow for creating videos that you have in mind, and then we'll get into the next demo in just a minute here. which is copying essentially existing viral content. Now that in mind, if you go into the avatars and voices tab back in the menu, you can also create actual photos to avatars or video to avatars, and then you can consistently reuse those characters so that you have consistency across many videos. So if you're doing something longer term, right, you just want one influencer, one avatar, then you can go ahead and do it this way as well. And it's a very easy flow, whereas you just, in the case of photo to avatar, you upload the photo of the avatar or the person you want, you verify it, you submit, and then you get basically an AI replica of that individual.
Okay, and now we're going to shift gears into something which I touched on earlier, which specifically is going to help you go viral, and that is just duplicating already viral content and videos, or adding your own talks, but generally just taking what works out there and replicating it for your brand or your product and service. So I've gone to the Instagram Reels tab and I literally just opened it. What I see is this, so let's just go ahead and try and duplicate it within Pippit.
So I've copied the URL, I've gone to this Instagram downloader, I'm gonna go ahead and download the video. So you can see that downloaded here. Now what I'm gonna do is head back into Pippit, but I'm in the video generator tab here, and this part is important. I'm gonna click on the choose a model and make sure that VO 3.1 is selected. And then right here, this other button is upload a reference video. So that's what the AI is going to base the new video off of. And I'm gonna go ahead and click upload video. And now we have our reference video. And you can see it pre-fills with a prompt here because again, this is designed for creators. It's designed to help you create viral content for your personal brand or your business. So this says analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a similar one, as similar as possible. Hyper realistic is what I'll add. We have our reference, we have our description. You can make it as detailed as you want. This is also where if you want it to be changed in some specific way, like you want a certain, I don't know, brand mentioned, or you want a certain color to be switched, whatever you want, you can say that here. Now let's go ahead and click start. Okay, it started working on it. It'll be about 4 minutes and then we'll have our video. Okay, it is done. I'm gonna go ahead and watch it here, and I'll also play it on the screen.
Is the why. The reason for the discipline, the early mornings, the grind. It all leads here to a life of purpose and gratitude. Comment, plan, if you're ready for yours.
So that's really impressive work, and I'm sure you can see the value of this immediately, right? Because again, existing content that goes viral for a reason. And so there is a definite business and opportunity in taking what works and then using that as the baseline for your business, for your social media pages or personal brand.
And remember, we're not just talking about organic videos here. One really big use case is advertising. Same deal, except in that case, you can't exactly copy it one-to-one. If there's an ad that did really well, if you legally have the rights to, just copy and paste it into your business with your product, or just split test across the board and see what works. So for the third demo, we have something that is my personal favorite here, to be honest. I think it's really cool, and that is product or e-commerce promotional videos. So I'm going to click on video generator in the left here, and then on product showcase. And there's a few ways you can do this. We're going to do it through specifically this product showcase portal. And you can just select, I want a product holding versus try on if it's apparel. We'll go with product holding video. You can choose the model that you want. I'll go with Andrew. And then for the product, we can choose from pre-existing assets that we've saved or upload directly from our computer. Now, you know what we have to do, the Rigged wallet. We do this in every video now. It's a running theme on the channel. So I'm going to select just one image, one single image of this Rigged wallet, and then I'm going to upload that into Pippit, and then I'll select under action details this, and I can go ahead and edit that as I would like. And all you have to do if you have a pre-existing product is swap in the product right here. Literally everything else, I mean, you want to change the script, but otherwise you can keep as is here, and then we'll click generate. So under here in assets, we can go ahead and see the generated product image here. And so here is what that looks like with our influencer. That is perfect B-roll for ads or for organic media, but I think this is especially perfect for ads. Now, the last big thing here that I really want to touch on before we wrap up is smart creation. And what this lets you do is create these ads or videos automatically every single day. So if you have a social media account, you can create these type of videos in bulk automatically, and then you just have to post them, or you can automate that side of it as well. Okay, so we looked at a few of those different workflows, and number one, my question for you would be, what's a better fit for where you're at currently? If you have an existing business with a set of products, okay, create AI ads using your existing products, create organic videos using your products, copy other viral videos and include your products. That may not be your situation. Maybe you just want to grow social media accounts. That's a whole nother paradigm, right? And maybe the workflow there is to go and capture the top trending formats, pull that into your accounts, pull them into Pippit, and then create videos that you think are optimized to go viral. Whatever the case, whatever is the best workflow or fit for you, I'd say just, first of all, choose one route. Don't try and do everything at once. And then it's just a volume and an iteration game. Try a lot of things, do it a lot, look at the data, learn every time, and rinse and repeat that until you're the best at what you do and the results you get are exceptional. And so that all in mind, you can see why Pippit and why this model is so valuable. Number one, no filming required, which takes so much skill and money. Number two, no editing skill required. Same thing. Doesn't take as much skill, definitely takes skill to do it really, really well though, and also just takes a lot of time. Number three, it's beginner friendly. You definitely understood that, even if you haven't used any kind of editing or video generation platform prior. Number four, it's fast. You can pump out 10, 20, 30 videos a day if you would like. And number five, you're plugged into the AI video models that actually look good now. VO 3.1, Sora 2, right? These are hyper realistic video generators. So we're finally hitting that sweet spot where AI video technology is affordable, accessible, high quality, and scalable. And so if you want to try Pippit, the platform, you can do that completely for free, no risk, with a free trial, and you get 50% off using the link in the description if you do choose to upgrade to a paid plan. So if you want to just check out the website, that is pippit.ai. You can see it here or in the description. And again, you can try it, no risk, completely for free with that free trial, and then use the 50% off if you do want to upgrade. There you go. Hope you learned something. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.